Alright guys, we're at Darsh's house right now.
Yeah.
He has a super cool backyard. And we're about to go eat at Pho 76. I think that's what it's called. It's supposed to be one of the best pho places in OC in Southern California.
We tried 76 times.
Little Saigon. And Little Saigon has some of the best Vietnamese food here. So it should be the best pho in Southern California. So let's go try it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Alright, so we in here, just ordered, waiting patiently for our bowls. I got the Xe Lua bowl, which basically translates to train. It's supposed to be like biggest, baddest bowl here. So I'm really excited. What do you think, Darsh?
I don't know. I just ordered whatever he ordered. So I'm gonna try that.
Damn, I can't even
see what happens.
Alright, there's Vietnamese people all around us. That's how you know this place is about to be fire. So Darsh here asked why is all the pho places in numbers. I don't really know. Maybe it's just because we're just very uncreative. But yeah. Oh, thank you.
Alright, man.
It looks delicious.
What is in this bowl right here? Please explain to the world.
Let's see. Let's look around. Alright, so I see some rare steak right here. It's not fully cooked yet. That's why it's rare. Got to dunk it in to get a little bit well done. Speaking of well done, there's well done beef right here. It's well done. There's some flank. Ooh, what's this? It's the fatty flank tendon. It's the tripe. This is basically the everything bowl, guys. It's called the Xe Lua, which is basically the train bowl. I don't know why. Ooh, and can't forget about the noodles. It's smelling delicious.
Yeah, so if you guys don't know what to get, just get
You can't go wrong with this. You can't go wrong with this. If you don't know what to get here, you just get the train bowl. It's the biggest, baddest bowl here. Alright, it's time to dig in. You gotta wait a few moments though, because it's piping hot. You can see the smoke. Alright. Look at this thick. I think it's hand bread, I'm not sure, or homemade. But they look a bit thicker than the regular noodles.
Can you explain the world how this bowl of deliciousness is made?
Alright, let's do it. Alright, you gotta add a little bit of the herbs in there, the mint. Make it taste minty fresh. Thank you. Some of this. The key is you gotta taste the soup before you put the extra sauces on. Wow, the soup is perfect. Very brothy. I don't think I'm gonna add maybe a little bit. I like my stuff a little bit spicy. Ooh, bite. Let's see. Well done. Alright, that was ugly. Alright, redo it. Alright, let's do this. Meat's nice and thick. The soup is really brothy. Tastes like homemade pho. Let's try the fatty flank. Wow. Where's the rare steak at? Where's that at, Darsh? Where's that? Can you guys see it? Can you guys see it? Oh, found it. Let's see. Missing ingredient. Let's taste it.
What is your verdict?
It's fire. Physically and metaphorically. because it's really hot.
Alright, so what's the final verdict?
Alright, so I'm stuffed, guys. That pho was delicious. My tummy is full of liquid and full of noodles. But yeah, I definitely give that place 5 stars. It was probably one of the best pho I've had at a restaurant. Similar to mom's cooking, but nothing beats my mom's pho. So yeah, this place is pretty fire, guys. If you guys want to try it out, definitely a contender and maybe the best pho in OC.
Oh shit. Dan versus World Sedan.
Alright, if you like this video, like it, comment if you guys have any pho suggestions for me, and subscribe to see more food vlogs.